In this video, I will show you how to connect Capybara Nation to your crypto.com. So first just open up your Capybara Nation on your Telegram, and then you have to click on this Capy drop from this home screen. You will find this icon, so just click on it, and then from this screen you have to click on this submit wallet option, and after that you have to click on this drop down menu, and from this menu you have to click on this crypto.com wallet, then click on this choose wallet button. After that you have to paste your Kronos deposit wallet address in this area. So open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen, then click on this crypto option. After that, from here you have to click on this transfer, and then from this window click on deposit, and now from the list of cryptocurrencies select Kronos, and then select the network which you want to use. It doesn't matter, the default network is Kronos, so just select it, and then you will be able to get your Kronos wallet address. So click on this copy button, then go back to your Capybara Nation app in your Telegram, and then paste the wallet address in this area, and then click on this confirm wallet address button, and then from this window click on this button again, confirm wallet submission, and that's it. Your Capybara Nation is connected to your crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.